I have 2023 Toyota Tundra capstone, and I wanted to change a filter, air filter, and the filter under the hood, because when I went to dealership, they were asking some money, which I thought that is too much. So I went to RLA and I bought the filters, both filters. It cost me around $48. So now here is a cabin filter. When you open your glove compartment, you will see there is a cover. You just move out, and now underneath that cover there is another cover. Be careful, do not use force. There are two small clamps on both sides, so you have to use both fingers to press them, and then it would come out. Because if you use force, so you would break those snap clamps. So these are the one small one, you have to press them and then it would come out. So behind that one there is a air filter tray. So just gently pull out that air filter tray, and the filter seems very dirty, so we can remove it. Some people, they just shake it, remove dirt and put it back. So I would say that just throw it. It's only $20, hardly $20. Just throw it away. Put new filters which you got from your AutoZone, RLA, or any other store. So make sure that side is up. The tray also shows you upside, and then filter also shows upside. Adjust the filter under those clips so that it properly fits in the tray. As you can see that I'm just doing it, and now there it is. So I will just put it back. Don't use the force, just gently slide in, and then put the first clamp. Make sure the side which says up, it should be up. That one is installed. So now install the main cover, the big cover from the left side. It goes in, and then snap it back, and there it is.